This is a left scapula in the posterior view. This is the medial border. This is the inferior angle. This is the lateral border. This is the infraspinous fossa. We have our glenoid fossa here, acromion process, spine, supraspinous fossa, superior angle, superior border. When we flip it over to the anterior side, this is the subscapular fossa, coracoid process, and the suprascapular notch. This is a right humerus. This is the head. This is the anatomical neck. This is the surgical neck. This is the intertubercular groove. This is the lesser tubercle. This is the greater tubercle. This is the deltoid tuberosity. This is the radial fossa, coronoid fossa, capitulum, and trochlea. On the posterior view, we have the medial epicondyle, the olecranon fossa, and the lateral epicondyle. This is a left ulna. This is the proximal side. This is the distal side. This is the olecranon process. This is the trochlear notch. This is the coronoid process. And this is the radial notch. This is the head. And this is the xyloid process. This is a right hand. This is the scaphoid. This is the lunate. This is the triquetral. This is the pisiform. This is the hamate. This is the capitate. This is the trapezoid. This is the base of the thumb. This is the head of the thumb. This is the first digit metacarpal, first digit proximal phalange, first digit distal phalange. Second digit metacarpal, second digit proximal phalange, second digit middle phalange, second digit distal phalange. Third digit metacarpal, third digit proximal phalange, third digit middle phalange, third digit distal phalange. Fourth digit metacarpal, fourth digit proximal phalange, fourth digit middle phalange, fourth digit distal phalange. Fifth digit metacarpal, fifth digit proximal phalange, fifth digit middle phalange, fifth digit distal phalange. This is the pisiform. This is the hamate. And this is the scaphoid. This is a right pelvis posterior view. We've got the ilium, the iliac fossa, iliac crest, posterior superior iliac spine, posterior inferior iliac spine, greater sciatic notch, ischial spine, lesser sciatic notch, ischial ramus, inferior ramus, the pubis, pubic symphysis, and the ischium. On the anterior view, we have the anterior superior iliac spine, the anterior inferior iliac spine, the acetabulum, the obturator foramen, and the ischial tuberosity. This is a left tibia. This is the proximal end, and this is the distal end. This is the lateral condyle. This is the medial condyle. And this is the intercondylar eminence. This is the tibial tuberosity. This is the anterior crest. And this is the medial malleolus. This is a left radius. Wait, you gotta point it down here. This is a left clavicle in the anterior view. This is the lateral or acromial end. And this is the chunky end or medial or sternal end.
Cool.
So this is a right patella, and we know that it's a right patella because you put the pointy side up and it leans to the right. So that's how we know that it's a right patella. This is the apex end, and this is the base end. This is the right femur in the anterior view. This is the head. This is the neck. This is the lesser trochanter. This is the medial epicondyle. This is the lateral epicondyle. This is the patellar surface. This is the intratrochantic line, and this is the greater trochanter. When we flip it over to the posterior side, this is the intratrochanteric crest. This is the gluteal tuberosity. This is the linea aspera. This is the lateral condyle, medial condyle, and the intercondylar fossa. This is a fibula. This is the proximal end. This is the distal end. This is the head. This is the neck. This is the shaft. And this is the lateral malleolus. This is a right foot. This is the calcaneus. This is the talus. This is the navicular, cuboid, lateral cuneiform, intermediate cuneiform, and the medial cuneiform. This is the base, and this is the head. First digit metatarsal, first digit proximal phalange, first digit distal phalange. Second digit metatarsal, second digit proximal phalange, second digit middle phalange, second digit distal phalange. Third digit metatarsal, third digit proximal phalange, third digit middle phalange, third digit distal phalange. Fourth digit metatarsal, fourth digit proximal phalange, fourth digit middle phalange, fourth digit distal phalange. Fifth digit metatarsal, fifth digit proximal phalange, fifth digit middle phalange, fifth digit distal phalange. This is the navicular. This is the talus. And this is the calcaneus. This is a left radius. This is the head. This is the neck. This is the radial tuberosity. This is the styloid process. This is the distal end. And this is the proximal end.